beefcake, Glen Powell, and
This movie keeps making money.
his abs of steel, his smile, his little perfect nipples.
Cowboy.
Like,
I didn't know you were going to go there.
oh,
His
yeah.
white teeth.
Seriously, he's using that new crest with the scope.
That white t-shirt in
He's got
Yeah,
it
he's all wet in the rain
It's all
from
going on,
Twisters.
chasing funnels. Whatever funnel clouds or whatever you want to call those things.
I think my problem is I keep chasing funnel cake.
He hasn't had funnel cake in 2 decades.
He's never had it.
He just-
never had carbs.
He looks at it. He smells it like dodgeball.
Yeah. White Goodman.
Like,
Just smelling the pizza.
and then he throws it.